Hello, my good people of New Jersey and Tri-State. It's that time of the year again to celebrate We4We, 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 and the CEO Fracas More Fire. So this Saturday, the 15th of November, we're going to be gathering at 537 Grove Street. 537 Grove Street, Irvington, New Jersey. I'm gonna be there, Enweilo, Igwe, Ọdịnma, Anaedo. I'm gonna be there to grace the occasion. Please be there early and let us have fun for the end of the year. You know, let's enjoy ourselves together. It's the We4We family celebration. Come and enjoy yourself. There's gonna be a lot of fun. So many artists coming from outside the city and outside the United States. So come, let's have fun together. Let's do what we do best, celebrate our own. Thank you very much. Enweilo says so. I'll see you there. Make sure you are there. Thank you.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Ọdịnma. More fire. Fuka fuka fuka.